Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to adjust time on this Casio G-Shock watch. First you must be in this regular time mode. If you want to change mode, press mode button. This is world time mode. This is stopwatch mode. This is timer mode. This is alarm mode. And this is regular time mode. Press and hold adjust button. Now we are entering time settings mode. First we will set the digital time. This is choose your time zone on your city. Go next. This is daylight saving time. You can turn on, turn off. Go next. This is 12 or 24-hour format. Go next. This is seconds. You can reset with this button. Go next. This is hour. Go next. This is minutes. Go next. This is year. Go next. This is month. Go next. This is day. Go next. This is sound. You can turn on, turn off. This is light duration, 1 or 3 seconds. Go next. That is it. We set the digital time. Just press adjust button. Now we will set the analog time. If you have same time on your digital and analog time, you are finished. You don't need to do anything. If you have different time, you must synchronize. We have different time. Just press and adjust. Just press adjust button. Few more seconds. Hold. Hold. Now we are entering hand settings mode. Press mode button. And you must set hands to 12 o'clock. Just like this. Set hands like this. And your watch will synchronize with digital time. Just press adjust button. Now we have same time on your digital and analog time. Guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments.